Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. Today is the 11th of August and today Mahindra posted a teaser regarding the new BE6. In this video, we're going to decode that teaser together. That teaser is barely 20 seconds long, but it gives us much more information than you think. So, I have the teaser right here with me. I will increase the brightness. Alright, let us begin. I've set it to 0.25 playback speed so that we can actually have a look at the details. And right here, so if we go back one frame, from here you can see that these are the rear lights. They remain pretty much the same. But if we go just a second back, a little bit back, and then we play it right here, so you can see from this that this actually looks a satin matte type of finish, like how it is on the Batman edition. I am currently in the Batman edition, you can see, but this actually looks slightly grayish, so this might just be a matte gray shade, which will be a new shade introduced in the BE6. You can also see the ORVMs, they remain the same, no major changes there, but the color is something which is interesting. Moving ahead, here from the rear also you can see that the spoiler remains the same, and also this spoiler that we get on the boot, this also remains the same. These rear LED lights, they also remain largely the same, so no major changes there as well. Here you get a clearer look. This might be slightly different like it is in the Formula E. This is slightly bigger in the Formula E, and that just might be the case here as well. Moving forward, this is a very interesting angle. So this is the seat, this is the steering wheel. If you look, then you still get the HUD, so no changes there. And this is actually a new shade interior theme. This is mocha brown with black. They call it tan interior. So this will be tan and black interior instead of this gray black thing that we get in this. I'll show it. So if you look there, then this is the one that we currently get, grayish black. And actually we can, now let's move ahead. Here you can see that the front lights also remain the same. You can see that it is the C-shaped LEDs. So this won't be like the Pack 2 where you get just these signature LEDs. You actually get C-shaped LEDs. Here also you can see glimpses of the new shade, again grayish and matte definitely. And moving ahead, here it's largely the same. Now this is where it gets interesting. This is the third passenger screen. I will show it. Third passenger screen, you see there is nothing here, but you will actually get a third screen in the BE6, and this is just like the middle screen. So three 12.3-inch screens like they are in the 9E and the 9S. Further, you can see that this pull to open tab remains the same. Other than that, these are the AC vents. Again, it's the same here as well. You can see it is the same. But now when we move ahead, slightly ahead, you'll see this is the middle screen. Also, if you notice here, it says charging starts at 6 p.m. or something like that. So you'll also get charging schedules. Now that is where it gets interesting. Hold on, just right about. You see that you can see a part of the middle screen, but you cannot see the center halo. So this is going away, unfortunately. I think that this was one of the best parts about the BE6, but we'll come to that later. For now, you can see that if we look, then this much part of the screen, and you do not see anything here. But here, after this much part, this center halo begins, the center divider, which made the BE6 cool. But here you can see that it is gone. Now it is just this straight line all across the dashboard. So till here you can see that till half the screen there is no center halo, so it is definitely gone. Again, front looks remain the same. Here also you can see the tan and black interior theme, even for the seats. The Batman edition got these gray and black seats. And then the exterior, you can, here I think it gives a slight bluish shade as well. So this might just be a really pretty color that they're coming up with. slightly blue gray. You can see that in the light, so when light falls on it, it actually looks bluish. It might just be very cool. The instrument cluster will remain the same, obviously. And here you see the spoiler, which is obviously the same. This is the rear spoiler, which is the same, and in there you can see the screen, but you can't make out that there are 3 screens. So here also, if you look, I will turn the light on of my car. So here also you can look at the second screen, but you cannot see any center divider line. Tech got a pulse. You can see the rear also remains the same, and BE6 SPORteq. Now, what are your theories about this SPORteq? Now, Sport and EQ, or as they've written, Spore and Tech. Now, tech could mean technology because they are giving 3 screens instead of the regular 2. Sporty, the BE6 does look pretty sporty. But I actually have a theory. Could the Q mean quad wheel drive? It is highly unlikely that Mahindra will do any mechanical changes to the car. But come on, we can just dream about it, right? What if the Q actually means quad wheel drive? With the Tata Sierra EV getting quad wheel drive, with the Harrier EV getting quad wheel drive, is Mahindra getting left behind? Could the Q actually mean dual motor setup and quad wheel drive? We'll have to wait till the 15th of August to actually look at the unveil. If nothing else, the car looks absolutely stunning. The exterior color looks super cool. We'll see what all's new, if it's just the third screen and the interior changes, or if they can actually come up with quad wheel drive. Again, as I said, there is just a 0.00001% chance that they'll do something like that. If you're planning to buy the BE6, then please wait a week. There might be something really interesting just around the corner. Also, since they've named it BE6 SPORteq, I do not think that the current BE6 is going out of production. I still think that they will continue with this. Since this is such a radical design, the cockpit design feels super cool, and I think this was one of the major selling points of the BE6. Introducing the SPORteq as a new variant actually gives Mahindra an advantage, because those who want to buy something cool, something radical, they'll still have the regular BE6 going on. I honestly feel that this is just an addition like the Cinelux, and I also think that's a really good move by Mahindra. And also stay tuned for Sunday auto drop, because 15th of August is Saturday and Mahindra is going to unveil big things. Sunday auto drop will bring you everything that Mahindra unveils. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped, please give it a like. Subscribe to Automobile Infos for more such content. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and have a happy journey.